What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb in a 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. The bulb itself is located behind this dust and water cap here. The first thing you're going to do is turn the cap about 10 to 15 degrees counterclockwise. It's also got a rubber O-ring, so you kind of have to shimmy it off. Then you'll be able to see the bulb and connector located behind the cap. So next you're going to take the bulb itself and turn it counterclockwise about 45 degrees, and it should pop right out. Then remove the connector by pulling up on the small tab, just gently, you do not want to break this off, and sliding the bulb out. As you can see, the replacement bulb is an H11, and I'll leave a link for this bulb in the description below. Next, take your replacement bulb, plug it back into the connector until it clicks, and then insert it back into the housing at about a 3 o'clock position. Once you get the bulb slotted in, rotate it about 45 degrees until it stops. I'll leave a link above to a video on how to adjust the angle of your headlights. Then replace the dust and water cover, press it in, then rotate it clockwise until it stops. And that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other 4Runner maintenance videos, and we'll see you in the next one.